Okay guys, we're going to start off by checking the temperature of the water. I feel like you should use cold water or cool water just so you can lock in the moisture and everything that you're feeding into this hair. Now I use my Strandz shampoo. I feel like it really softens and moisturizes hair extensions or your natural hair. So I just run my fingers straight through the hair because it keeps down the tangling. It's kind of like you're detangling but washing it at the same time. So I feel like the hair is not napping up, matting, and you're not pulling out strands of hair while shampooing. Okay guys, here I'm just showing you all 3 bundles have been shampooed. I'm showing you how they look wet, how I'm getting no tangling from them at all, and just showing you the texture and the little bit of curl at the end, which I absolutely love. Okay guys, now we're going to go ahead and move on to conditioning. Now the conditioner I like to use is a Tresemme moisturizing conditioner. I overload on conditioner just because it helps the hair be soft and it sucks it right up. So I love that. You just want your hair to just come out bomb, soft and flowy. So I love this conditioner for this. Okay guys, once I condition all 3, I let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse. Now guys, here I'm just showing you the hair after it has been washed, conditioned, and has set for about 10 to 15 minutes. I rinsed them out, and this is the hair wet. It's absolutely gorgeous. Even though it's mink straight hair, I like that it still has a little texture to it, so I feel like that will hold a curl amazing. And here is the hair, 100% dry, the mink Brazilian straight hair. It's absolutely shiny, soft, and ready to be installed. Before I wrap up this video, I just wanted to include the couple of products that I do use on my natural hair before getting my installs. I did record myself washing my hair, but my arm was in the way the entire time, so I apologize for that. But check the description box for all products used, as well as the link to go shop foreign strands for this mink Brazilian hair. And ladies, I just want you to like, comment, subscribe, and if you could think of any videos that you would like to see, leave them below and I'll definitely get them done for you. Stay sleek and stay slayed.